Look at this, Sammy. I feel like a princess.
What? Are you kidding me? That is so last season, Sue. Boring.
Hey, I designed it myself. I think it looks pretty.
Sue, I think I know a lot about fashion. It needs to go now.
Fine.
Yes, I get to show off my design talents.
Hi, everyone. I thought my dress was nice, but Sam didn't agree.
It looked ridiculous. My Teddy wouldn't wear it.
I guess we'll need to make a new dress for me. Will you be my fairy godmother?
Actually, I have the perfect model for this. Hey, Barbie, I need your help. Let's go. What's going on? Hey! No time to explain. Come on now. Incoming!
Huh? Barbie?
Gotta go.
All right, a new model it is. Time for a makeover. All we need is a stretchy green balloon.
A balloon dress? Again? We've done that.
Let me think. Aha! Pink glitter foam paper. That'll do the job.
Foam paper? Pass.
Oh, I know! I have something at my sleeve, literally. We can use this. It'll look great on you, Barbie.
A dirty handkerchief?
Oh, come on.
I know. We can use food wrap. Take it. Whoa, the room is spinning. I think I need to lie down.
Food wrap? You know, this might work, Sammy. That's a good idea. I'll start by wrapping it around Barbie, like this. Look, Sam.
Really, Sue? Where's the wow factor? This needs to be fabulous.
Relax, Sammy. We're just getting started.
What a relief. This needs to be special.
What color should we use? How about green?
Green? This season's color is red. We need to be on trend, you know?
Okay, take it easy. We'll go with red. I never realized that you were such a fashionista, Sammy.
Sue, wait! Stop this instant! It needs to be extra special. We need glitter.
I'm way ahead of you, Sammy. I'm using glitter glue. See?
Wow! I'm impressed. I taught her everything she knows, friends.
You're so humble. Okay, the glue has set. Now we can cut the top off Barbie. I'll take my time. I don't want to ruin it. Phew, I was starting to get nervous.
It's looking good, but it's still not right. The dress needs more.
Don't worry, Sam. It's all part of the process. Trust me, okay?
Remember, I'm here if you need my advice.
I'll trim the food wrap. We don't want any fashion disasters, do we?
It's like you can read my mind, Sue. I can't risk my reputation as a fashion designer, you know?
Don't worry. This will stun the fashion world.
Wow, do you really think so? I'll be famous. Hey, Sue, look, I'm a goldfish. Well, a pink fish.
Sammy?
Oh, hey, Barbie. Do you like my top, Sam? It's so chic, so stylish, so Barbie. But we're not finished yet. Sue, we can use that glass to make the skirt. It's perfect.
That's a really good idea, Sammy. It's the ideal shape. We'll just cover it with the food wrap first. I'll go around and around, building up the layers of food wrap. Looking good.
You know, Sue, I think we should go for a different color. Something classy. I know. Gold. It will be a total blast. Oh, I'm a genius.
You've got it, Sam. Gold glitter glue will look so good on a skirt. Barbie is going to be really surprised. She's gonna love this outfit. We just need to wait for the glue to dry.
Whoa, look at it. It's so shiny. I can't take my eyes off it.
Aww. I think the glue has set. Now we can cut the film off the glass.
Wow, this looks fantastic. I love it, Sue.
I'm happy to hear it. You know, I'm kinda jealous. I wish I had a dress like this.
But it's too small. Sue really thinks that the skirt would fit her? Ah, she's so funny. She'd need to be tiny to wear it.
I didn't mean this very skirt. Never mind. Let's just remove the extra food wrap. Okay, Barbie, we can try the skirt on. I think it's the perfect size for you. Wow, amazing!
Sue? Where are the details? We need gems and more sparkles.
Good idea. We can add a gemstone belt to the skirt. We need to carefully wrap it around Barbie's waist. It'll really transform the look. See?
Yay!
Well, what do you say?
It's better, but we need accessories. That's what takes an outfit to the next level.
Well, then I will make a necklace for Barbie. Can you make the shoes, Sammy?
Yay, new shoes! Oh yeah, this is it. This is my time to shine. I'll make the best shoes you've ever seen. Owie. Let me think. I need some inspiration. Wait, now this is what I'm talking about. Pink shoes. I'm going to rock the fashion world.
Wow, that sounds exciting, Sam. I can't wait to see them. In the meantime, I'll finish Barbie's necklace.
Very chic, Sue. You can't go wrong with gold, but you're missing a jewel. Take this.
Ooh, that's great, Sam. You really have a talent.
Yeah, I know. Now excuse me. I've got some shoes to design.
And I'll add more jewels around the sides of the necklace.
Whoa, that is awesome, Sue. I've never seen anything like it. Oh, thank you. It's beautiful. This is what I've just said.
Next, we need to brush Barbie's hair.
Did you know, as well as a fashion designer, I'm also a hairstylist?
Oh, really?
You bet!
Who needs a trip to the salon? We've got everything we need right here for a new look. Hey, Sammy, we're waiting for the shoes.
Oh, right, the shoes. How could I forget them? My memory got a bit slimy. Now everyone, close your eyes.
I like surprises. Sam, are those the shoes you designed?
Yeah, why? This is the hot new look in Milan.
But they're for swimming.
Wow, tough crowd. Fashion is about taking risks. But okay, I'll make another pair. Oh no, I need to make some shoes and fast. This is bad. I'm not good under pressure. Let's face it, I'll never be a real fashion designer. My dreams are over. I'm so sad. I'm sorry, Sue. I'm all out of ideas. I can't make the shoes.
Oh, it's okay, Sam. I have a plan.
Wait, you made shoes? You're the best!
Whee! Let's put them on, Barbie. I hope they're comfortable. Uh-huh. These really suit you. It's the perfect pair of shoes to complement the perfect outfit of yours.
Wow, it's better than I ever imagined. Well done, Susie. Shiver me chatters! You look great! It's all thanks to my fashion advice!
I think it's time for my dress. Now, Sam.
What? The video is over, Sue. Sorry. Gotta go. Remember to subscribe and like, friends. Bye-bye. Attention, please! The Sam Shine Fashion House presents to you...
The Happily Ever After 2022 collection! Woohoo!
Mermaids are into high fashion, too!
I'm waiting for my Prince Charming.
Cool! And now it's time for Fabulous Cruella! Alrighty, all of the princesses have their awesome dresses! Thanks, everyone! I'm so grateful!
Sammy, wait! Belle's a bit late for the show.
Oh, right. I totally forgot about her! Ha! I will make a dress for Belle right in front of you!
But we're out of fabric, Sammy!
Wait! My magic will summon a new material! Drop the curtain!
Play-Doh? What is it for? Sammy, your magic didn't work right.
No, Susie! I promised Belle a unique material for the dress! Said I'll squish it! Where is the princess? She was right next to me!
A clay dress? Ew! I want to be star of the night, not a live sculpture!
Seems like someone cast a spell on Belle! She became so grumpy!
We'll show her the dress and it'll break the evil spell.
Okay, then you roll out the clay and I'll take Belle's measurements!
Got it. Guys, did you notice that the dress will be pink? It's so like Sammy, right? Let's see how he's doing.
No way! I don't want to be stuck with a moody princess! Let go of me!
Belle wants to see the first samples. Let's speed up.
Waist size? Hey, stop fidgeting! I'm working here!
Ugh, but Sue's doing something interesting back there.
Really? Let's see it! We're lucky that I've taken all of the measurements. Okay, we need a clay piece of this size for the top of the dress.
Let's do it. Sounds like we're working with real fabric. Here it is. What do you think, Belle? Do you like it? No! Okay, what's next, Mr. Designer?
Let's make as many tiny folds as we can. One fold to this side, one to another.
Wow, it looks really beautiful. Sammy, get our model ready. I'll finish pretty soon.
Come on, Belle, you'll like it. Let's take a bet. Look!
Guys, it shouldn't take long and you'll get a top piece. Make sure you've made 2 of them.
Here is our model. I had to bribe her with new books.
Great! Let's put the top on. Belle, stay still. One clay piece goes to the front and the other to the back side.
So far, it looks like a swimsuit. Belle isn't happy at all.
Oh, you've brought the skirt. Looks pretty modern.
Don't worry, Belle. It's just a base to make a full skirt.
I was just kidding. We won't leave it like this.
Sue, let me roll up a piece for the skirt.
Sure, Belle is ready for a modern fashion show.
I'm on it, Sue. I can't do this any longer. Help me out, please.
This is a nice piece of clay, but we need to finish the edges.
We need 6 of these pieces.
What?
Help! I've broken up the base!
Let's start making the skirt. The ball is coming soon. Always iron the fabric beforehand.
Who said the creases are ugly? In Samshine, they're all the prettiest.
Oh, that's for sure. Okay, I'm ready to follow your instructions.
Start with tiny creases on the hem of the skirt. Roll the stick over the edge.
It's working pretty well. What does our Belle think?
Holy cannoli! She's smiling more sincerely than before. Keep going, Sue!
Looks like the grumpy spell is fading away. Just one more time, the hem is finished. Can I iron it just a bit?
No way! We need more folds on the skirt. Get to the middle now!
Okay, no ironing today. Let's add some volume to the skirt. Sammy, how many creases do you want?
Really? What did he say?
Uh-huh. I guess I should do it myself. Let's make one diagonal crease.
Don't ruin it! It was a serious discussion with the customer.
And how many folds does she want?
The more the better. These are her exact words.
Challenge accepted. Guys, it's gonna be like a workout for your fingers.
Awesome! Even I couldn't make that better.
Let's repeat all of the steps and make 5 more pieces. Whoosh! And here's what we've got. Hey, where's the last one?
Susie, it's sabotage! The last piece is ruined!
Hell, Tibidabo, we can reshape it again. Oop! Oop!
I'm sensing evil magic here! Show up, witch! Shiver me chatters! Who's laughing?
Ooh, that really sounded like an evil witch's laugh. We have big problems.
You don't sound scared at all, Susie! Shame on you! Don't worry anyway. I'll protect you and the dress.
Here's the last crease. And done! Now all of the pieces are ready. Let's layer them up. We'll attach them one by one, turning the stand when needed. There we go.
Just imagine how the lush skirt will swirl on the dance floor.
Actually, we can see it right now. Come on, Belle, dance for us. Sammy, what do you think?
We need more layers on that skirt, and I found something useful.
It totally slaps. Guys, do you see? You don't need that much to make an amazing dress. Let's cover the clay skirt with pieces of white and pink net fabric.
And what would Belle's dress be without roses, right? Stay tuned!
This is it. Now the skirt has even more texture. Oh, it's really stunning. Guys, give it thumbs up.
Let's add some glamour! Our fashion house is called Samshine for a reason.
Check out this beautiful sparkling belt. It highlights Belle's figure. I remember that the designer promised us the decor with roses.
That's right. So go ahead and dig out some flowers from the neighbor's garden.
First, this is not a shovel. Second, I think that might be stealing.
I got you, Susie. You're so easy to prank. Take the delivery.
What delivery? Ah, got it. What a vibrant pink color.
It's Samshine brand color. The pinker the better.
I got the assignment. We'll grow roses out of this piece of craft paper.
Yep. First, take the piece that will help us grow petals 10 times faster.
Wow, that sounds like a great crafting tip. Guys, watch carefully.
Then cut out the shape of a petal using scissors. Easy peasy! Just don't forget to fold the paper several times.
It really is easy. Check this out. We're making multiple petals with one cut. Be careful with the scissors, guys. We've made enough to create at least one flower. Let's get started.
Add some volume to the petal. Wrinkle the edges a bit.
Guys, be careful. The petals are very fragile. Be gentle with them. You don't have to make them perfect. The petals do have various shapes. Let's gather them in a rosebud. Layer the petals together one by one, just like this.
Tale as old as time, tune as old as song. Oh, no, I forgot the lyrics. Hey, Belle! Come on, Belle, don't be so grumpy. What else can I do?
Wait for a second. I'm almost finished with the first rose. Here, this must help. Belle is a fan of roses.
Just what I need. Thanks, Susie. Let's attach it to the hem. Oh, I remembered. Tale as old as time, song as old as rhyme. Beauty and the Beast.
Rose shower. Who wants to decorate the dress?
Sounds like a job for me. Can I use a bit of magic? 1, 2...
And 3. Wow, this is amazing.
Oh, no. This shouldn't have happened.
Maybe the spell was too strong, but we can use these anyway.
Help me, Susan. First the evil witch, now that. Please save Samshine.
Okay, I'll be your fairy godmother this time. Let's add some petals to the hem of the dress right in between the rosebuds.
After that, let's decorate the waist. Belle, hands up.
Such a cool design! Guys, what do you think? It's a new hit.
Sue, we need a bit of sparkle.
You're a genius, Sammy, as always.
I know.
Let's add some glitter to our dress. Now our Belle is defo ready for the runway.
Okay, let's wrap up our fashion show with a grandiose reveal. Belle, please get up on the stage. And here is our star. How do you like your new dress from Samshine Collection?
It's the best dress I've ever had. I feel like a real princess.
Thank you very much, Belle.
Guys, if you want to see more dresses from the Samshine Collection, then stay tuned.
Please subscribe to our channel and you'll get the updates about our new doll crafts.